Okay, there it is. This is my, I'm not sure what year, but I believe it's an early 80s Yamaha G1 golf cart. I picked this up in non-running condition for cheap, and let's do a quick little walk around of it. Take it for a spin here too in a minute. I'll show you what the problem was with it. Open this up. So it was suspected that it had bad reverse and forward solenoids, and I'm not actually sure if those were bad. I know it's a common fault in these G1s. So they were replaced with the White Rogers upgraded reverse and forward solenoids, and I can post a diagram on how to install these. If you get on the Facebook groups and the forums, it's not super clear, but anyway, what was wrong with this? I had tested to make sure the ignition switch was good, the gas pedal switch was good, the solenoids were working, the generator was good, the battery, you know, had over 12.5 volts, and I determined somewhere between the foot pedal switch and the solenoids there was a problem. So I just started untaping this wire harness here, and I got to this corner here. That's all I have to, it's all on tape now, but you couldn't tell unless you undid this, but this wire, and these three wires here were broken, just hanging on by a hair of insulation. And what I think happened was the previous owner had, you know, the battery had pinched him, had got on top of that harness, and it got cinched down and pinched him. But like I said, you wouldn't know unless you peeled back the harness and started looking. I reconnected those wires, and then it fired right up, and it runs great. But yeah, so if you are looking to install these White Rogers solenoids, here's how you do it. It's pretty simple. This is the orientation of them. You need to transfer over these posts here. There's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 of them in that exact order. This is your forward and reverse wires. This big wire right here, this is your battery negative. This one right here is your A1. It comes from the generator. The generator's marked. I'll throw up a diagram of that too, but I believe this is, well, I'm not sure off the top of my head, but I'll post a diagram of what's what for that generator. Then on the back side here, this post right here gets your F1. It's pretty simple. So that's how these are installed. But there's a good look at that. So yeah, oh, and then this one right here, this is A2. So A2, battery, A1, and then this one right here that goes to this terminal is F1. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna check the 2-stroke oil level here. I'm not sure if the oil injection works, so I've been keeping an eye on it. Still can't really tell if it's gone down. So in the meantime, to be safe, it's got like an 80-to-1 premix in it until I can determine this is working. I gave the carb a quick clean. Alright, so let's shut this down and go for a spin. It's pretty windy out today, so there could be some wind noise. It's a little cold, might need to choke it. Oh, and we're off. Whoa. We'll let it warm up a little bit. Oh, we lost the strap. What a ripper, huh? So you can see the foot switch is working on it. Yeah, nice little golf cart. There's your choke, your ignition. This is off, forward, neutral, or off, reverse. It's got a couple cup holders, some storage there. Still has the golf cart, pencil holder, tee holder. It's had some marine seats, boat seats installed on it. Tires are in good shape. Got your golf bag holder here and a little storage rack. Yeah, just a good little two-stroke golf cart. Here's where you fill your gas up. All right, let's do a little more ripping in it now. So I'll floor it to show you the speed. Actually, I'll get up here and we'll give it a rip. Okay, that's it. Has a governor on it, so its top speed is limited, but you know, that's all right. Probably a little easier on the engine. We'll give her another rip here, feel the power. We'll hit it from a dead stop here. We'll let it turn off. I'll just hammer it and see what it does. Here we go. That's it.